Hi guys, in this video I am going to teach you some of the solid editing commands in AutoCAD 3D. So let's get started. So the first command that I am going to teach you is the union command. For that, simply type union, then press enter. Basically the union command is used to join two objects. Let me show you how. First you have to select first object, then the second, then press enter. Now you can see the rectangle is joined with the cylinder and it seems to be a single object. Now quickly move to the second command, that is the subtract command. Basically the subtract command is used to remove the material. Let me show you with this example. In this example there is a rectangle and a cylinder. You can remove the cylinder from the rectangle, or you can produce a hole using the cylinder. For that, simply type subtract. Now press enter. Now select the rectangle first. Select the material. Select the object from which the material is going to be removed. Then press enter. Now select this cylinder or the object that you want to remove, and then press enter. Now you can see the material is removed. For more clearance, you can change the viewpoint. View style. Go to this and select shaded with edges. Now you can easily see the material is removed. Now again change it to the wireframe. Always use wireframe because it is more easy to select objects in wireframe. Now in this example I am going to teach you intersect command. Basically the intersect command is used when you want to produce an object which have two different views. For example, in this object, the eye section is, when you see from the top view it is an eye section, and when you see from the left view it is a curved shape. For that kind of purpose you can use the intersect command. Basically the intersect command remove the material, intersect command produce the material which is in between this uh, eye section and this curve. For that simply type intersect, press enter. Now select the first set of object, then the second set of object, then press enter. Now you can see from the top view it is the eye section, and if you change to the left view it is a curve, and here it is, this is a curve. So this is the benefit of intersect command. You can produce different objects having number of profiles. Now in case you want to see the object that is going to produce by intersect command, there is another command called interfere. Simply click on this icon, or you can type interfere. Select the first set of objects, then press enter. Now select the second set, now press enter. Now you can see the object is going to be produced, which is highlighted with the red color, as you can see. So this is the object going to produce. So there are number of options also, like 3D or bit. Let's try this. Click on it and you can rotate it like this and close it. For now close it. And now let's see the slice command. Basically the slice command is used to divide an object or cut an object without drawing any other profiles. For this example I am going to use only 3-point method. There are number of methods using slice command. For that simply type slice. To use the command simply type slice. Slice, then press enter. Now select both objects, press enter. Now I want to select I want to cut it by diagonally, so I select the diagonal points first point and the second point, then click at any height, and as you can see it asks for if you want to keep both sides, press enter. I want to keep both sides, then I will press enter. Now you can see the object is divided. You can delete any one, simply select on it and delete. Now if you change the view, you can see the sectional view of this object. You can also use it to produce the sectional view. Now the last but not least command is the thicken command in solid editing. For simply click on thicken command. Thicken command is used to add thickness to a surface. Simply click on it and select the object first. The object. Simply click on the thicken command, select the object. Now enter the thickness. I use 10 units for the thickness. And here it is. To see it more easy, simply go to the shade mode, and here it is. Now you can see the surface that I made using the thicken command. And that's all for today. Please make sure to subscribe to my channel. If you want to know more about AutoCAD 3D, you can click on this have up I button. And thank you and have a nice day.